Hello, my dear learners. Welcome back to the Jish Learn English podcast. I am Shaylin. Thank you for spending time here learning something important with me. The last restaurant video on the channel got so much appreciation from you all. I am grateful that it was helpful. Many of you requested to cover more scenarios around restaurants. So I have selected some topics for the restaurant series. Today, we will learn to talk about the types of restaurants found around the world. If any restaurant says they offer fine dining service, you won't be confused with the term. Like, fine means good and dining means eating, so fine dining will be good eating. But no, that's not what a fine dining restaurant means. We will learn almost all the types of restaurants. And after that, you and I will shadow together some sentences using those type names. I am very excited. Are you? Yes, you are too. Let's watch some conversations so that you can connect with the topic. Before that, if you like my teaching, please like the video and subscribe. These are motivation for me. All right, let's now watch the conversations.
So, any ideas for dinner tonight? I'm starving.
There's this new fine dining place near the river. People say it's an experience, not just a meal.
Fine dining? Wait, is that like eating with fancy forks and wearing a suit?
Or like super tiny food that costs a lot?
I think it's more about the atmosphere and service. But honestly, I'm not sure.
All right, how about this? Let's actually find out what it means before we book it. Deal, but if it is tiny food, we're ordering pizza after.
This place looks busy. What kind of restaurant is it?
It's a buffet. You pay once and then serve yourself from a big selection of dishes.
Oh, so I can try a little of everything.
Exactly. Just don't waste food, and you can go back for more anytime.
Hey, I found this new place downtown. It's a contemporary casual restaurant.
Contemporary casual? Sounds fancy, but is it formal?
Not really. It's stylish and modern, but you can still dress comfortably. The food is creative. They mix different cuisines.
Oh, like fusion dishes?
Exactly. Last time I had sushi rolls with a spicy Italian sauce. Weird combination, but it worked.
That's interesting. How's the atmosphere?
Cozy but trendy. The lights are warm, there's soft music, and even the plates look artistic.
Sounds like a good date spot.
Definitely. It's perfect if you want great food without the formality of fine dining.
Now, learning time. Now that you have some idea about restaurant types, let's learn more. Knowing what services they offer is important before you make a reservation or decide to go as a walk-in customer. A walk-in customer means someone who comes to the restaurant without booking a table in advance. If you know the type of restaurant, you can avoid awkward moments. Imagine your friends are planning to eat out, and they mention a restaurant type. If you have no idea what it offers, you might feel unsure whether you will enjoy it or not. Knowing the type helps you decide if you are comfortable with that choice. The first one we heard in the earlier conversation was fine dining restaurant. This is a fancy and formal restaurant. It usually serves high-quality food in an elegant setting. The service is professional, and the prices are higher. The second type of restaurant is buffet-style restaurant. This was the type that we heard in the second conversation. In this type, guests serve themselves from a variety of dishes. The food is arranged on tables or counters. You pay once and can eat as much as you like, but it's polite not to waste food. The third type from the conversation between two friends is contemporary casual restaurant. This is a modern, comfortable place to eat. The food is good and the atmosphere is relaxed. It is less formal than fine dining and usually more affordable. There is no strict dress code, so you can wear casual clothes and enjoy your meal. All right, now that we've talked about fine dining, buffet, and contemporary casual, let's now see how they look in pictures. Here is a fine dining restaurant. This one is a buffet-style restaurant. And this one is a contemporary casual restaurant. Which one do you like the most? Let's explore more types of restaurants you might come across. I'll explain each one in simple words, and you can imagine what it's like.
Casual dining restaurant. These restaurants are relaxed and comfortable. You sit at a table and a server takes your order. The menu usually has many options and the prices are moderate. It's a great place to eat with friends or family without feeling rushed. Next is fast casual. Here you order at a counter and the food is freshly prepared. It is faster than casual dining and has higher quality than typical fast food. The atmosphere is relaxed and the prices are fair and affordable. Affordable means not too expensive and easy to pay for most people. Ghost restaurant, virtual or digital only. This is an interesting type called a ghost restaurant. There is no dining space. It only prepares food for delivery. You order online or through an app, and the food comes to your home. It's perfect if you want a meal without going out. Family-style restaurant. Here, meals are served on large platters for everyone at the table to share. It feels like a home-cooked dinner with friends or family. It's warm and friendly, and everyone helps themselves from the same dishes. Fast food restaurant. These are quick service restaurants. The food is prepared fast, usually from pre-made or semi-prepared ingredients. Menus are simple and prices are low. It's great if you want something quick and convenient. A pub. A pub is a place that mainly serves drinks, especially beer, and often has food too. It's a lively, social place where people gather with friends. Now let's see how these restaurants look. Here is a casual dining restaurant. This one is a fast casual restaurant. The ghost restaurant is an online-only restaurant. This is a family-style restaurant. Here is a fast food restaurant, and this one is a pub.
Let's now learn some more types of restaurants. And after that, we will do practice with sentences together. Café. A café is a casual place where you can enjoy light meals, snacks, or drinks like coffee or tea. People often come here to relax, chat, or work on their laptops. Cafeteria. In a cafeteria, you take a tray, walk along a counter, choose your food, and pay before you sit down. You'll find these in schools, workplaces, or hospitals. Coffee house. A coffee house focuses on coffee, tea, and light snacks. It's cozy and quiet, a good place to read, relax, or meet a friend. Diner. A diner is an American-style restaurant. They serve comfort food like burgers, pancakes, and milkshakes. Many diners are open late, so you can come anytime. Bistro. A bistro is a small, cozy restaurant. It serves simple, high-quality meals in a warm and friendly atmosphere. At a teppanyaki grill, chefs cook food on a large grill right in front of you. It's fun to watch and enjoy your meal at the same time. Mongolian barbecue. In a Mongolian barbecue, you choose raw meat, vegetables, and sauces. The chef cooks everything together on a big round grill right before your eyes. Theme restaurant. A theme restaurant has a special theme, like a jungle, movies, or medieval times. The food and decor match the theme, making the experience unique. And last one is bakery. A bakery focuses on bread, cakes, and pastries. Some bakeries also serve coffee and light snacks. Now let's see how these restaurants look in pictures. Here is a cafe. This one is a cafeteria. Here is a coffee house. This is a diner. Here is a bistro. This one is a teppanyaki grill. Here is a Mongolian barbecue. This is a theme restaurant. And finally, here is a bakery. Now tell me, which restaurant would you like to spend time at this week? And which one do you really want to go to right now? Food is something we all can't resist. Even the word restaurant makes us remember the tasty food we had last time and feel hungry to go again. Okay, now let's shadow 10 sentences together. I will speak each sentence 2 times and you repeat after me. Use this opportunity to practice your pronunciation and fluency. I went to a cafe this morning to enjoy a cup of coffee and a croissant. I went to a cafe this morning to enjoy a cup of coffee and a croissant. Our family loves visiting a diner for breakfast on weekends. Our family loves visiting a diner for breakfast on weekends. She enjoyed grilled shrimp and vegetables at a teppanyaki grill last night. She enjoyed grilled shrimp and vegetables at a teppanyaki grill last night. They had a fun night out at a theme restaurant with jungle decorations. They had a fun night out at a theme restaurant with jungle decorations. We shared a big meal at a family-style restaurant yesterday. We shared a big meal at a family-style restaurant yesterday. He prefers eating quickly at a fast food restaurant before work. He prefers eating quickly at a fast food restaurant before work. During our trip, we tried different dishes at a buffet-style restaurant.
During our trip, we tried different dishes at a buffet-style restaurant. The students usually eat lunch in the school cafeteria. The students usually eat lunch in the school cafeteria. I bought fresh bread and pastries from a bakery this morning. I bought fresh bread and pastries from a bakery this morning. My friends and I enjoyed an interactive dinner at a Mongolian barbecue. My friends and I enjoyed an interactive dinner at a Mongolian barbecue.
Well done! Today we learned an important topic. Tell me, was it helpful or not? And don't forget to share other topics you want me to cover. I will make videos on those in the next sessions. Before signing off, I want to say a big thank you to all of you for the love you are giving to the channel. I will keep making useful videos for you. Please show your appreciation by liking the video, subscribing, and sharing it with other learners. And one thing, if you can, hype the video too. All right, I will come up with a new lecture very soon. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing, and most importantly, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.